Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! I know that don't seem like a big deal. Dude, that's the first time I've ever made that.
In that ship, it's a lot bigger than it looks on camera.
Oh, hell yeah. I had water coming over the top.
Yeah, these cameras don't do any justice to that.
I think
That freaking 3-foot wave train looks like it's about that tall.
yes. Yeah!